The architectural style you pick for a new software project will have a profound impact both on the development process and how you solve different problems. Monolith or microservice? Which is better? And what should you consider before picking either? A well-known voice in software development is Martin Fowler. He discussed the principle of monolith first. The thought is that creating a microservice architecture right is difficult. Actually, it's very difficult. It is so tricky that even software developers with many years of experience in a business domain will be unable to draw the boundaries between the services correctly, at least initially. Microservice architectures work best when the interfaces between them are quite stable. So we have a conflict here. We will need to refactor the boundaries as we discover their deficiencies. A route most projects seem to go is to start with a monolith instead. This strategy has been applied successfully by many companies like Netflix, Amazon. It has many benefits to take that path. Since software projects usually start out with a small development team, the overhead from a microservice architecture will slow them down. A monolith will allow them to move faster at the beginning, where time to market and discovery is essential. As the software matures, the boundaries get more defined and it is less risky to split parts of the monolith into smaller services. In the beginning, a highly homogeneous environment is preferable since it will allow the development team to draw on each other's experience. It would be best if you didn't consider moving to a microservice architecture until the pain of staying with the monolith gets unbearable. The reason is that there's a considerable premium to pay to run a microservice architecture. One example is that in a monolith, fetching an entity is just a method call. The language itself does all the error handling. But when you need to fetch an entity across the wire from a different service, it's an entirely different story. Many things can go wrong. For example, service unavailability, network timeouts, the format of the response has changed, and many other difficulties. They all need to be handled by the requester, but it is considerable work. There are more examples of why microservice architectures are demanding to run and develop, but under the right circumstances, the benefits greatly outweigh the disadvantages.